Hi, my dear students and friends. Today I will discuss case. So, case, what is case? Basically, case is a base sentence where a word and words where make a relation between others. In a sentence, noun or pronoun, that case basically there are five kinds of case. Those are nominative case, objective case, possessive case, vocative case, dative case. So let's see their explanation. Dative case basically it's individual, there is no relatives, and it's basically used in the modern grammatical and also part of object. So basically case there are four kinds. So nominative case. What is nominative case? Nominative case those word, noun, or pronoun that's used as a subject, which is nominative case. Let's see. Nominative case basically, in nominative case, who or what, whenever we ask a question of subject to subject, who or what, if I get the answer, thus the nominative case. That's when goes to school. Who goes to school? Who? There's I raise a question and who that's used here answer is oin, that's oin. Also another pronoun and adjective, infinitive, gerund, verbal, noun, phrase, clause, etc. Nominative case as used. So nominative case whenever oin goes to school, here oin is a nominative case. I again explain that nominative. What do you, why, how can you identify nominative case? Whenever you asked a question of a sentence of a subject, in a sentence you have to ask a question subject, who or what. Then if you get an answer, that's the nominative case. So here I asked a question, who goes to school? Oh, there is another question arise, that which part I asked the question. You definitely have to question a verb. That means you have to question to verb. The verb asked two verbs, that he visited Khulna. Who visited Khulna? Who visited? That's when I asked her question to verb, that who visited Khulna? He visited Khulna. That's when he is a nominative case. The who live in hand to mouth. That's mean I asked a question, who live in hand to mouth. That's mean I asked a question to verb live. So here the nominative case answer find out the who. To error is human. So same the process, walking is a good exercise. What is good exercise? Walking is a good exercise. The reading of newspaper is a good habit. What is the reading? What is newspaper is a good habit? Or what is the good habit? What is the good habit? So here the answer is the reading of a newspaper is a good habit. So these kinds of are all nominative case. So hope you can understand how can you identify and you can catch a nominative case, and where how which question you can answer the question. So let's see objective case. That's mean nominative case we can say also subjective case, so you can define it, call it, but there is some different objective case. When a question we ask noun or pronoun, that's mean it's identify or its object. Basically it's focused to indicate the object, and that we call objective case. So let's see and how we can question, which question we have to ask of object. So whom and what, whom and what we have to question whom. That's mean whom and what. You have to also definitely know the Bengali meaning, okay. And what keep. So Rahim reads a book. Rahim reads a book. Rahim কি করছে? That's mean what is reading. What is reading? I asked question here with what. What is reading? Rahim. Rahim reads a book. That's mean here book is a objective case. The horse kicked the boy. The horse kicked the boy. There have I also asked the question, who kicked the boy. The here the question answer is the boy. Whom? Whom kicked the boy? Whom kicked the boy? Here the question is, the answer is the boy. So let's see objective case. There are two kinds of objective case. Accusative case, when accusative case, that's mean I have to explain briefly. কোন সেন্টেন্সে যদি বস্তুবাচক নাউনের ভার্বের অবজেক্ট রূপে বসে, দ্যাটস মিন দ্যাট তাকে অ্যাকুজেটিভ কেস বলে। হি bought a car, here object is a here object is a এখানে অবজেক্ট হচ্ছে একটা বস্তুবাচক and noun dative কেস। তো ডেটিভ কেস কোন সেন্টেন্স যদি ব্যক্তিবাচক নাউন ভার্বের অবজেক্ট রূপে বসে, তাকে তাকে ডেটিভ কেস বলে। সো লেটস সি, আই লাইক দ্য ম্যান, হেয়ার ম্যান ইজ দ্য পার্সন নাউন, and the a car which is the object, which is object like of objective object, and man is a person object. So let's see another noun, pronoun, adjective, infinitive, gerund, verbal, noun, phrase, clause, etc. Objective case as used. Objective case as noun where he reads the Quran. Objective case as pronoun, we called him. Objective case used as adjective, he helps the poor. Adjective case used as infinitive, I want to sleep. Want to sleep, infinitive, I we know that infinitive, what is infinitive? Two plus verb, we want to sleep, infinitive. Auxiliary case as verbal noun, I like the playing of cricket, verbal noun. Auxiliary case as phrase, I meet a man of purse. Auxiliary case as clause, I know how he did it. So these are all auxiliary case, and I hope you can understand. Today I discuss case and how many kinds of case and basic. Hope I will next time, next class, discuss more about case. So thank you. Allah.